Hey Rob, it's Dave. I got a video for you. I'm in the middle of cleaning, but I wanted to show you something. The boatyard that had done the paint, you look, it's really good right here. It extends above the water line. About here, it's at the water line. And this is where tube worms are growing because the paint's below the water line. I've started to clean this side, but I'm going to go all the way up to the bow of the boat. You'll see the bottom paint does not come up above the water line. This is going to be a problematic area. I have to scrape it. But you see those lines aren't going away. Let me show you the side that I haven't touched. So I'll scrape all that, because that's not going to remove it. But I really think you ought to look at the place. Either that or redistribute some weight on the boat, or bring it back up and have them raise that water line up to about right there. And that way that paint job will last you a really freaking long time and do what it's supposed to do. I'm going to clean her up. It'll be good to go. But I did want you to be aware of this, because with this video, they probably will go ahead and just raise the water line for you. All right, thanks, man.